Stop, please. Just stop. You spent hours perfecting that dish. So why does your photo look this terrible? You know that ugly photo is killing your business. You're losing followers, losing clicks, and losing sales. Your customers eat with their eyes. And right now your menu is starving them. So you go on Fiverr and what do you see? $150 for 5 photos. With a 2-week wait, you're trapped. Either waste time on DIY or burn a fortune on freelancers, but that ends today. Introducing FOODFORGE AI, the world's first one-click virtual studio, engineered for your food. But this is not another fake food generator. This is magic. Watch closely. The AI is strictly forbidden from touching your original dish. It keeps your food 100% authentic, but magically rebuilds the entire scene around it. It adds the pro lighting, the expensive backgrounds, the perfect props, all in one click. This is the food integrity promise. What your customer sees is what they get. The front-end app gives you everything. Our 4 core professional styles. The 3-for-1 value engine that generates 3 unique photos at once, and a full commercial license. Stop letting terrible photos ruin your amazing food. Get instant access to FOODFORGE AI right now for the special, one-time only launch price. You are 100% protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee. Click the button below and start selling the food you deserve to sell tonight.